Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to add Instagram link to Twitter bio. So if you want to add your Instagram link to Twitter bio, first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, tap on profile and then tap on share profile. After tapping on share profile, you can easily copy the QR code for your Instagram. After copying that, come back to home screen. So now open up your Twitter or X application. After opening your Twitter application, tap on the profile which is on the top left corner and then tap on profile. So you can see edit profile over here. So tap on edit profile. So after tapping on profile, in the second option, just paste the bio which you have copied from Instagram and then tap on save which is on the top right corner. So now you have successfully added Instagram link to Twitter bio. So now if anyone taps on your bio, he will be directly directed to the Instagram account. So this is how you add Instagram link to Twitter bio. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.